How to fix YouTube not showing full screen. So if you want to fix YouTube not showing full screen, then first you need to open up your YouTube application. Once you open up your YouTube, now you just need to simply click on any one of these videos in which you would like to have the full screen. So for example, I'll be choosing a video. Once you've chosen the video, now here on the bottom right side of that video, you will have a square shaped icon, right? So what you need to do is simply click on that button. Once you click on it, it will go ahead and give you the full screen, right? But if this doesn't fix your problem, or if this doesn't work, then what you need to do is go to your notifications bar, and here you will have auto rotate option. So you might have an option of auto lock or auto rotate, or switching your phone to a landscape mode. So once you've turned that on, now you don't need to simply click on any one of these options. You just need to simply tilt your phone and it will automatically go to the landscape mode. So that's how you can fix YouTube not showing full screen problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.